Today's lesson is going to be about matter. First thing to understand about matter is that each and everything around us is matter. Everything that you see around you is matter. So, a tree is matter, birds are matter, clouds is matter, and even a flowing river is matter. So what exactly is this matter? Matter is anything that has mass and volume. Mass tells us how many kilograms or grams the matter weighs, and volume tells us how much space the matter takes. So what is matter? Matter is anything that has mass and volume. So basically everything in this world has mass and volume, so everything is matter. Now matter can be of three types, but we never say types, we always say state. So we say matter can be of three states. So what are the three states of matter? The three states of matter are solid, liquid and gas. Solid, liquid and gas. Before I explain these three states of matter, let's try to understand what matter is made up of. Matter is made up of very tiny particles called molecules. Now these molecules are so small that we cannot see them. Let's take the example of a glass of water. Water will be made up of water molecules. Water will be made up of water molecules. Similarly, rock or stone will be made up of rock or stone molecules. Now always remember that in real life we cannot see molecules. Now in these pictures the molecules have been shown just so that you understand what molecules are. But in real life we need something called a microscope. A microscope, a very powerful microscope, is required to see the molecules. Now we will study about the three states of matter. First we will study about solids. What are solids? Now solids is matter where the molecules are very close to each other. What are solids? Solids are matter where the molecules are very close to each other. Stone or rock is a solid. Now in stone or rock the molecules are very close to each other. They're so close to each other that there is no gap between the molecules, as you can see from this diagram. Why are solid molecules so close to each other? Solid molecules are so close to each other because the molecules have very high attraction between them. The molecules always keep attracting each other. That's why the solid molecules are so close to each other. This attraction between two molecules is called intermolecular attraction or intermolecular force. So whenever two molecules attract each other, we say that there is intermolecular attraction or intermolecular force between them. Now let's study about the next state of matter, which is liquid. Liquid is matter where the molecules are not very close to each other. Liquid is matter where the molecules are not very close to each other. Now to understand this, let's take the example of water. Now water is made out of water molecules, where the molecules are not very close to each other. Unlike a rock, where the molecules are very close to each other. So why are the liquid molecules so far apart? In liquid, the molecules have a weaker intermolecular force or weaker intermolecular attraction. In a solid, the intermolecular attraction was very strong, but in liquid, the intermolecular attraction is weak. That is why in liquid, the molecules are so far apart. Now we will study about the final state of matter, which is gas. In gas, the molecules are far away from each other. That is, the molecules are far apart from each other. Let's try to understand what gas is exactly. Take a vessel of water. Start heating this water till it starts boiling. When it starts boiling, what do you see? We see steam or water vapor coming out. This steam or water vapor is gas. Now we know what a gas is. As we can see from this diagram, in steam or water vapor, the molecules are far apart from each other. Why are the molecules in gas so far apart? The molecules in gas are so far apart because the intermolecular attraction or the intermolecular force between them is very weak. That is why the molecules are so far away from each other. With this, we are done with the chapter on matter. Now we all know what matter is, what are the three states, what are molecules, and in which matter the molecules are close to each other, and in which state of matter the molecules are far apart.